I love that there's new things every day that I'm constantly learning. I'm never bored. I never know what's going to come over the phone. My name is Jenna, and I'm a customer service representative. My days are never the same. All the different calls that we get, it depends on the weather. So sometimes we get heating or cooling calls, and sometimes we just get simple system checks. So I never know what's going to come. I enjoy getting to talk to the techs out in the warehouse or even over the phone. I try to remember my questions to see how the job's finished up. And they're always really helpful to explain why something was a certain way, or maybe I didn't understand it. So it's always nice to talk to them and see how they did the job and how they finished the job to help the customer. I enjoy working in the office because then I do get to talk to the owners every day, talk to Rick, Keith, and Craig a lot. I love that it's close-knit and I get to know almost all my coworkers. We're adding new ones, but I'm trying to learn them all.